At GrandZenPeak, we start with a different idea. Not user. Not account. Not traffic. Partner. Because progress in the markets feels different when you are not thrown into the deep end and told to figure it out. We believe trading should feel guided, clear, and purposeful from the first step. That is why we say, welcome, partner. A lot of platforms talk about features. We care about what those features actually do for people. Do they create confidence? Do they reduce confusion? Do they help someone act with more intention instead of more stress? That is where partnership matters. It turns tools into support, support into progress, and progress into something that actually feels sustainable. Everyone starts with ambition. Better results. Better control. Better financial direction. The hard part is turning that ambition into action that feels steady and smart. At GrandZenPeak, we help bridge that gap with clear tools, expert insight, and a platform built to help traders move with purpose instead of guesswork. With 3,500 plus opportunities, 40 plus funding options, and trust built across a global network, we create room to grow without losing direction. Partnership also needs real substance behind it. That means advanced analytics, precision execution, real-time insight, AI-powered alerts, and support that helps users stay prepared when markets move fast. It also means simple, secure withdrawals and a platform environment that feels premium without feeling confusing. Because the right move is easier to make when the right system is already in place. At GrandZenPeak, we believe goals become real when people have the tools, timing, and support to act on them. That is what we are here for. To help traders move with more clarity. To help ambition become action. To help vision become victory. Welcome, partner. This is GrandZenPeak.